how to fix Snapchat if it won't open on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat if it won't open on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps and then click apps again, and now just type here Snapchat, click on it and then click force stop and go to storage, click clear cache, and after that just try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem just go to storage and then click clean up. Now just clean some space, and if that also doesn't fix your problem just restart your phone and go to Play Store and update your Snapchat, and that's it. Then your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.